I think the sooner people start to learn about financial literacy, the better off they're going to be, because statistics say less than half of the nation has enough money to pay for one full month of expenses if they were to lose their job. So could we rely on parents to teach us about money? It's a lot more complicated today. And I'm thinking, is there something we could be doing with our youth in the schools?
I couldn't agree more. In fact, there is legislation pending right now in the state legislature that would ensure that financial literacy is taught in the schools as a requirement. It's something that I strongly support, and not just for our children and how it fits into a curriculum and how it is age appropriate, but afterwards, continuing education for adults. It's not just enough to tune in and watch a little CNBC or a little Bloomberg in the morning before you start your day. It's the kind of thing that requires lifelong learning, and not just for us personally, but I think as a collective, as a community, as a region.